The floor node generates the floor. It is a fairly simple node. Let's have a look at how it works. If we insert the terminate right at the top, we can see what is coming into the node before we have done anything. We can see the two collections. The arcs and stringers collections. The first two lines of code get the stringers collection from the model, and the polylines from the collection. We will print the polylines to confirm that it is actually working. Here we can see our list of polylines. For generating the floor, we are interested in the first and last polylines. They are polylines with ID 20 and 34. Next, the code gets the positions from the first and last polylines. We will again print these positions so that we can see what is happening. Here are the two lists of positions. We want to use these positions to make out floor polygon. However, we will need to convert them into a single list. We will place the terminate after the line of code that makes the polygon. We have used an inline function to join the two lists into a single list. Let's insert a temporary line of code, so that we can print the result of joining the two lists. Now we can see the joined list. What about this reverse function? What is it doing? Let's see what happens when we disable it. We can see that something bad happens. The problem is that the positions of both polylines are moving in the same direction. So the polygon inverts itself. We will switch on the reverse function again. And we will copy the line of code that joins the two lists. We can then compare the lists, before and after the reverse. Here is the result. In the first case, we can see that the list starts at position 0. In the second case, we can see that the list starts at position 228. This is because the positions in the first list have been reverse. Position 285 is now the start of the first list. Next, we will create the collection. It is just a single collection containing a single polygon, the floor polygon. In this case, a collection is not really necessary.